Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas Day 21. Christmas is in 4 days. I hope y'all did all y'all last minute Christmas shopping, got everything out the way. So today, y'all probably noticed my hair is looking a little dry. I need to go ahead and wash it. So I did just get some new hair in from a hair company called Donmily. Thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I received a 26-inch body wave. This hair is so soft, y'all, and I love this wave that it comes in. Of course, the hair comes in a natural brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dye the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and she should be looking real cute, because right now I'm looking a little rough. I'll have all the information in the description box if you guys want to purchase it, because I know how much you guys always ask me about my hair. Okay, so I've dyed the hair. So I like to let my dye sit on my hair for a few hours. Sometimes I even let it sit overnight, and I use the 1B Silken Black texture and tone. So this is the one that I like to use. So we're just gonna let this sit and let's see what happens. Okay, y'all, I have to sit down here because if I sit on my couch, the lighting is behind me and it just messes everything up. I would have to bring my light in here and all that extra drama. So I just find me a nice little cozy spot here on the floor. But here's the hair. So it looks really good. I'm gonna put some wine curls in it, but I really like this. It looks so good. Y'all know this is me all day. So yeah, love it. And it looks cute straight too. I did straighten it, and then I was like, well, let me just, you know, put a few curls in it. So if you guys are interested in this hair, I will have all of the information in the description box below. We're gonna run a few errands today. I need to check my P.O. box. I need to go to the store to grab some seafood because today is my mukbang day. And I also want to do some holiday drinks. I'll probably do that on tomorrow's video. But I have some chocolate vodka in there. I love making holiday drinks with chocolate vodka. I just love that. It's just so good. So I'm gonna do something like that. So that's what we're doing today. We're just gonna run around a little bit. Y'all know Mondays and Fridays is tough. Trying to do both channels, Mondays and Fridays, is just tough. So this will be the last Monday for you guys. I did take the pants back to H&M. A lot of you guys were saying she gonna take the pants back anyway. If she don't like them, she ain't gonna keep them. And y'all, that's why we here, baby. We here. So yeah, I did take the pants back. The mall was crazy this weekend. I also took the candles back. Well, the candle, because I only got one. So I did take the candle back, and they did an even exchange. So I got, they did have a sale this weekend too, with $10 off the candles. So they were still like $15 instead of the, you know, $10 if they would have let me get the candles on the annual sale. So I ended up getting 2 bergamot waters and 2 blue midnight citrus. And then I bought a candle that I've never purchased before, which is the peach Bellini. A lot of you guys was telling me to try that one. Y'all know I don't really like sweet scents like that, but that one was pretty good. So I did buy that one too. Let's go ahead and get these errands out the way. All right, y'all, so before we leave, I want to show you guys what I did with the vase. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw it already. That's why you should follow me. I am IAMSHERIKAB, period. All right, let me show y'all. Here's the vase. I just have it sitting on the little table that I bought from Homegoods, and I have it sitting on the Kinfolk book, and then my little knot that I got from Target, and it's just so adorable. A lot of you guys asked about the rug, and it is here in the studio. So yeah, here is the little vase. First stop, Rose. Isn't that amazing? In Christmas times,
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always
Decided to come to Homegoods because it's right across the street from Lowe's. So let's go inside.
wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, not just Christmas. We're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 dance. We're gonna dance, 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 have a good time. Gonna dance, 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 all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So I made it back home, and I got 3 of the jumbo crab legs, and then I got some Dungeness crab and green lip mussels. So it's about, let me open these blinds. Is that too bright? That's not that bad. I need to turn my Christmas tree on. It's about 11:30 right now, and I have to be somewhere in an hour, so I don't know what time it'll be before I can get my mukbang done. Oh, y'all see my roses? Let me show y'all. Here is my really pretty roses that Tony bought me. We had a really good weekend. I actually got my Christmas present on Saturday, and he also bought me these roses, so they're so beautiful. Pretty. So I didn't have time to stop by the liquor store to get the stuff for the Christmas drink, but y'all know that's going to be on tomorrow's video anyway. I thought I had some more of this one, but this is the IAMSHERIKAB vanilla vodka, and this is really good. It's nothing left in here. I don't know what happened to it, child. And then I have this veal. So this is a chocolate vodka that I have. So most likely I'll be using that. Let me take off this sweater. It's not even, it's a little cool outside, but not really. I think it might be like 60 degrees, 65, something like that. So I threw on this little cardigan. So let me try to put some of this stuff up, because I can't cook it, because like I said, I have to go somewhere in an hour, and I would hate to start my video and have to stop. Like, that does not make any sense. So I do have a few emails that I need to get to. I'm gonna have to fix myself some type of lunch or something, because y'all know I didn't have anything for breakfast this morning. So I bought these over the weekend. I bought these plant-powered deli slices from Sprouts, and I'm gonna try to make myself a sandwich with this. So hopefully it tastes okay. So we'll see. So this is basically just meatless turkey. So we'll see. So this is how it looks. Kind of look like bologna a little bit. It smells like turkey. Let me taste it. Okay, let's taste a piece. But I'm making a sandwich, but I'm just gonna taste a little piece. Okay. It smells exactly like turkey. Like, how did they do this? Like, what's in this? Non-GMO soy protein, cornstarch, wheat gluten, water for hydration, water, vegetable oil, egg whites, wheat flour. At least I can pronounce all this stuff. Celery. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a sandwich really quick, and then I have to meet Tony. Okay, so I made myself a little wrap. So it just has spinach, cheese, mayo, mustard, and then the meatless turkey. And this will be lunch. So y'all, I just had a package come in, and this is an overhead tripod. So when I'm doing my little cooking videos, it'll look a little more official. So I got this from Amazon. It'll look something like this. Well, not something like this. It will look like this. And like I said, you'll just get like the overhead footage. Really cool. I think this was like $16.99. So if you guys are interested, I'll have the link in the description box. I am meeting my husband at this place. I don't even know the name of this place, but we're dropping the car off because we're getting the car painted today. And they're gonna have the car for a week or so. That's what I'm doing. And then when I get home, I can do my mukbang. Let me show y'all the scratches. Y'all, so our garage door is broken. Well, yeah, it's not broke, it's just the remote doesn't work, so we have to manually open our garage up. I need to clean up in here. It's a little dusty. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye y'all.